You have probably heard everywhere about AI in the past few days. That's because only now people have come to terms with what AI can do and had an aha moment with ChatGPT, and only now came to realize how heavily this is going to impact our day-to-day lives. And the truth is, the people that don't adapt and use AI to improve their skill sets, implement AI into their businesses, or even use AI to create new businesses will get left behind. This is not a question, it's already happening. And I have videos coming as we speak on how you can implement all of these things into your own life. But right now, in this video, I want to give you 15 AI tools that you can use right now that are already on the market, and you can just take them, start using them, and become superhuman using them. And I will leave the obvious best tool for last because I don't want to just show you this tool. I want to actually show you how to use it. I want to go in depth on the last tool, and I want to show you what it's capable of and how you can really unlock the full power of that tool. So stick around for that. This list will show you all of the AI tools from least useful to most useful, but make no mistake, I have not included any AI tools in this video that don't have a use case in real life and that are not insanely valuable. Number one, Deepfakes Web. Deepfakes Web is a website that is so good that it's fake. Using the magic of artificial intelligence, you can put someone else's face into someone else's body, making it look like they're doing or saying something completely different. It's basically a face swapping superpower. With Deepfakes Web, you can make your own boss dance like a chicken, or you can make your little sister say sorry for eating that last slice of pizza, which she totally deserved anyways, right? Or you can use it to create your own blockbuster movie with you as a star. Who knows? The possibilities are virtually endless with Deepfakes Web, so go ahead, use your creativity and let things run wild. And before I show you the second tool, I want to tell you that if you like to make money online, if you like personal finance, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, because that's all I do. I post free videos every single week here on this channel with different methods that you can use to take and improve your life and make money online. And if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss the future videos, which is going to be a shame because they're completely free and you can always change your mind. If you want, you can sign up for the subscriber fund, which I give away $50 every single Friday here on the channel for 2 people that sign up for the giveaway using the QR code on your screen or the link in the description right now. If you want to sign up for that, just subscribe to the channel and enter the giveaway. Number 2 on this list is Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI tool that will help people paraphrase things and write things online. Whether you're stuck on a school assignment or you want to write the perfect letter for your crush, or if you're just feeling lazy and you don't want to write something from scratch, you can just copy and paste something into Quillbot. The AI technology will understand what you wrote in there and it will rewrite the entire thing in a whole new way that will fool even the smartest plagiarism tools. Now, before we go to the third tool on this list that you can use to improve this thing that I'm going to tell you right now, I want to tell you about YouTuber Pro, which is a learning program that I have here on the channel. In that learning program, I will teach you everything that I did on my channel to go from 0 to 200,000 subscribers in 6 months and 0 to $30,000 a month in revenue in 6 months. That learning program is very due to get a price increase. So if you want to get in now, it's $247, one-time payment, lifetime access. If you want to learn from me how to start a YouTube channel, get free traffic, and build a passive income business, go ahead and check the link in the description. YouTuber Pro. Third tool on this list is ChatGPT Writer. So it's not the actual tool ChatGPT, it's the ChatGPT Writer. ChatGPT Writer is a Google Chrome extension that you can just install to your browser and it will work in any website that you might be browsing on. Just give it a simple idea of what you're trying to write and it will crank up entire email and responses in seconds. It's perfect for people that are doing a lot of writing online or constantly responding to emails. It's going to be a huge time saver. It's almost like having a robot clone of you that can do all of your typing tedious tasks so you can focus on the more important tasks like playing video games. Number 4 on this list is called Descript. Descript is a all-in-one AI software that will help people with YouTube channel creations, podcasting, and interviews. The way it's designed is to be easy to use for everyone, especially those of us that are not tech savvy. It also functions as a video background remover. It can remove anything from your background without the use of a green screen. So if you're tired of looking like a floating head on your videos, then Descript is here to help. But the best feature about Descript, the one that I most like myself, is called Overdub. Overdub uses AI to do a realistic voice cloning of anyone. Using this tool, you can clone your voice and create any type of video or audios that you want to create. This tool in specific is going to be especially valuable for those of you that want to build faceless YouTube channels. And regarding all of these AI softwares, these advancements, these tips and money-making methods, I always post them every single day on my Instagram account and also in my Twitter account. So if you want to get content every single day and not 3 times a week, also follow me on Instagram and also on Twitter. Just use the handles on your screen right now. Number 5 on this list is Runway ML. Runway ML is like Photoshop for your videos. Runway ML is almost like the last AI that we saw, and it can also remove things from your video's background. You can remove things from your videos and photos background. So if you're tired of removing that annoying person on the background every single time you take a picture or every single time you make a video, then Runway ML is here to help. In short, Runway ML is a tool that is going to help photo and video creators make their videos and photos better using AI. Number 6, Be Human. Be Human is kind of like having your own impersonator at your fingertips. This company will use AI to make videos sound like they were made from a real human. Imagine being able to create videos that sound and look like a real person without ever having to show your face. You can use videos that you made yourself, or you can just pick one from the company's library. And then you can use the software's AI to make it look like it was made by a real person. This tool can have several use cases, but the one I see people using the most is video creators taking this tool and using them to make faceless YouTube videos. Number 7 is a tool called DID, and DID is almost the same as the last one, and it also makes videos of people that look like they're real, but they're not. The difference from this AI to the last one is that this AI here takes pictures and animates them and makes videos out of those pictures. And by doing this, and this way people can make real videos look like real people without ever having to be on camera. And like I said, this tool can also be used to animate any type of picture that you have and make them into a video, which has several real life use cases. Number 8 is called Browse.ai. Browse.ai will help you get information from any website online without having to do any coding. Imagine having your own personal robot that can go to any website and get real-time information for you. You can simply show the robot what to do by teaching them what you want it to do, and it will use that information to get information from other websites like prices and stocks and so on. It will also allow you to analyze and monitor data from the internet. In short, Browse AI is a tool that will help you get real-time information from any website. If you know how to implement this tool here, it can make you a lot of money. Number 9 is Tome.ai. Tome is the ultimate lazy person's dream come true. It's like having a personal assistant that can create entire presentations for you with just a click of a button. No more late nights trying to come up with that perfect presentation. Tome AI has you covered. All you have to do is give it a basic idea prompt and it will write an entire presentation for you, including titles, characters, and events. It will even come up with the illustrations and photos to go with the presentation, all based on your one single prompt. So whether you're too lazy or too busy to do your presentation, Tome AI has you covered. This tool basically will help you create presentations like a pro. Next up on the list, number 10 is Merlin AI, which is a Chrome extension that can help you scour through stacks of documents and find exactly what you're looking for. And it only gets better with time as it can learn and improve the finding information. It also has a chatbot that is powered by the almighty ChatGPT that can answer to complex questions and give you personalized recommendations. It also has a bot for procurement and finance that uses AI technology to perform mundane, routine, or data-intensive tasks. This tool specifically has helped me with every single task that I do that has to do with messaging apps online. You can just simply press a few buttons on your keyboard and summon this tool in any website that you're browsing. Number 11 on the list is called Superhuman. Superhuman is an email client that uses AI to optimize your email experience. It will make you faster and more efficient. It also has some pretty cool features like AI triage that can sort through your emails for you. It has an undo send button in case you send that embarrassing email to your boss accidentally. It also has insights from social networks so you can, stalk your coworkers without having to leave your inbox. And if you're the forgetful type, it also has follow-up reminders and scheduled messages, so you'll never miss that important email again. Basically, Superhuman will do what it says, make you superhuman. Number 12 is called Alfred. This is not an AI, but it's a Mac application, and I wanted to include it in this list because it is so useful and I've been using it for years. Alfred is like having a personal butler on your computer. This app alone will help you save hundreds of hours and 10x your productivity. With just one simple command, Alfred can search your computer, open apps, find files, and even search and open specific websites for you. So if you're a Mac user and you want to 10x your productivity, give Alfred a try. You won't regret it. Number 13 on this list is called Midjourney. Midjourney is amongst my favorites. It's like having your own AI artist that can create anything out of your imagination. With just one single prompt, it can bring anything that you can imagine to life. And the best part about this is that it is hosted on Discord. So basically all you need to access Midjourney is a Discord account. Just be aware that there's a limit to the number of images that you can generate for free before they ask you to pay a small monthly fee. But in my opinion, it's completely worth it. This AI tool alone can be used to create all types of images, from YouTube thumbnails to custom graphics. I've been using this tool in my day-to-day life, and I can confidently tell you that it's amongst my top free AI tools. Number 14 on the list is Notion AI. Notion AI will help you keep track of everything from notes, to-dos, or even your entire life. Notion is a one-stop shop for organization and productivity. It's perfect for work, personal stuff, and even businesses. Personally, in my opinion, the best part about Notion is their databases, which is like nothing that you've ever seen before, which allows you to link and organize your notes, taking them to the next level. It also gives you the ability to connect other apps like Trello and Google Calendar, keeping everything in one place, making everything easier to find. But the real game changer is what Notion is doing, which is called Notion AI. It is not out yet, but it's soon to be released. Basically, Notion AI is going to be able to perform all the same tasks that Notion do and ChatGPT does, but directly inside Notion, which is your note-taking app. It can understand human language, automate tasks, and gain insights that will make your life so much easier. Notion AI will provide you with features such as chatbots, voice assistants, and text analysis. This will drastically help companies improve operations and better customer experience. Basically, Notion AI will be able to do anything that ChatGPT does, but inside Notion AI, like generating spreadsheets, recipes, and anything that you want it to do directly inside the Notion app. It's going to be the almighty ChatGPT, but I'm not just going to show you this tool. I'm going to show you a few ways that you can use this tool, which is going to make you a lot more productive, and it's going to help you massively in whatever it is you want to do. So for the first thing that we're going to be seeing today, I'm going to show you how you can generate startup ideas and business ideas that you can actually use and implement in the real world. So I have here a prompt. Most people don't know how to prompt into ChatGPT. They don't know how to speak into the AI, which is a video that I'm going to post here on the channel very soon, so stay tuned for that. And the first thing that I'm going to show you today is how to speak to ChatGPT. So I have here a prompt for it. Generate 3 digital startup ideas that people desperately need on recessions. Generate a business plan for the digital startup, complete with idea, name, a short one-liner, target user persona, users pain point to solve, main value propositions, sales and marketing channels, revenue stream sources, cost structures, key activities, key resource, key partners, idea validation steps, estimated first year cost of operation, and potential business challenges to look for. Write the result in a markdown table, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do all of that for me. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT just started writing the markdown table for me with all the information that I've just asked it to provide to me. And what it's doing right now is giving me 3 digital startup ideas that people desperately need on recessions based on real life, human, real world data. This is not I think it's giving me things that it knows based on real world data. So these things that it gave me right now are all areas that people desperately need, jobs that people could create, businesses that people could just take and create during a recession that people desperately are needing right now. A job matching platform that connecting job seekers with recession-proof industries, a personal budgeting app that helps individuals manage their finances during a recession, a virtual career fair platform connecting job seekers with employers in a variety of industries, right? So it gave me all the things: sales and marketing channels, revenue streams, cost structures, key activities, key resources, idea validation steps, cost for the first year of operation, potential challenges. Everything that you need is right here at your fingertips. You just have to know how to ask ChatGPT to create them for you. Now, as you might know, ChatGPT is not connected to the internet in its original version, but as you can see here, I have a Chrome extension called ChatGPT, Web ChatGPT, that you can just install on your Chrome server, and it will connect ChatGPT to the internet, being able to get you real life updated 2023 data. All right, so all you have have to do is turn this on, and then you can ask ChatGPT any information that is real life currently happening. So I'm now going to ask the AI what day we're in. What day is it today? What it's doing right now, it went to Google and it got the 10 top search results, and it's going to organize all that information for me, and it's going to serve it to me in a way that I can use it. Another way that you can unlock the full power of ChatGPT is by telling it to act as something. Most of the things that you ask ChatGPT, it will not generate a response for you because it's been set up that way. So what you have to do to go around that issue is to tell ChatGPT to act as something, as that professional. So what I told ChatGPT here is to act like a fitness professional instructor and create me a workout routine that I can use to lose 5 pounds in 30 days, doing cardio twice a week, and still be able to eat normal foods, right? Let's see what it says. Here is a 30-day workout routine that you can use to lose 5 pounds while still being able to eat normal foods. So it's going to give me the full workout routine that I can use for 30 days, and it can even get me the recipes if I wanted to. I can ask it any type of information that I want. All you have to do to unlock the full power of ChatGPT is to tell it to act as a professional on something. So I'm just going to stop generating the response here. So no doubt these AI tools are very, very important, and there's no doubt that it's going to change all of our lives. But what everyone should be learning right now is called prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is going to teach you how to speak to the AI in the best form possible to get the best outcome possible. Being able to learn prompt engineering is going to give you such an advantage over everyone else. Imagine you learning prompting and being able to use the AI to its full potential. The advantage that you're going to have over someone that doesn't even use AI is going to be unheard of. So start using AI, start learning prompting, and start learning how to speak properly to AI to get the outcome that you actually want. And as always, if you want to find the text file for this video, which contains the list of all the AIs mentioned in this video, go ahead and check out the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen right now. If you want to get 12 free fractional shares from Webull, go ahead and open an account with them for free. Deposit $100 and they will give you 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600 just for signing up and making an initial deposit to qualify your account. After you make the deposit and get your shares, you can totally sell the shares and cash out, no catch. And if you want to get access to all of these things that I say here in advance, go ahead and join my mailing list, go ahead and join my Discord, because I always share these things in there first. And if you want to see my video, which I named 12 AI business that you can start as a beginner, click the video on your screen right now. I'll see you on that video. Work hard, play harder.